Did you know that Australia has around 23 million people, but more than 200 million rabbits? That's nearly 10 times more rabbits than humans. In Australia, rabbits are considered a destructive pest. They destroy crops, erode soil, and damage ecosystems so badly that the government officially declared them a harmful species and has tried for decades to eliminate them. But in China, rabbits were used in a completely different way, not as pests, but as a solution. Over the last 30 years, China imported more than 4 million rabbits, not to eat them, but to run a bold environmental experiment in one of the most dangerous deserts on Earth, the Kabuchi Desert. And what happened next shocked the world. The desert that was eating the land. When fertile land slowly turns into desert, the process is called desertification. The Kabuchi Desert in northern China was once one of the fastest expanding deserts on the planet. At its peak, it was spreading by nearly 500,000 acres every year, swallowing farmland, villages, and ecosystems. China tried everything: sand control stations, tree planting campaigns, engineering barriers. But nothing worked. Then a local entrepreneur named Wang Wenbiao came up with a strange idea that changed everything: the willow tree plan. Wang began placing dry bushes in square grids across the desert and planting willow trees inside them. Willow trees have an incredible ability. Their roots can reach up to 300 feet underground to find water. That makes them perfect for desert conditions. The bushes protected young trees from strong desert winds, which normally blow sand away and evaporate moisture. People laughed at him. "Who plants trees in a desert?" they said. But after 3 years, something amazing happened. The willows survived. However, a new problem appeared. To make willows valuable for the paper and furniture industry, their new shoots must be trimmed regularly, so the main trunk becomes thick and strong. Doing that by hand in the desert was expensive and slow. That's when Wang introduced a very unexpected helper. Enter the rabbits. Wang brought in Rex rabbits, a special breed known for their soft, valuable fur. But the rabbits weren't brought for fur alone. Rex rabbits love to eat the young shoots of willow trees. So instead of humans trimming the trees, the rabbits did it naturally. They ate the new shoots. This made the main trunks thicker and stronger, which increased the tree's value. The rabbits got food. The trees grew better. The economy benefited. But that wasn't all. Rabbits changed the soil. Willow roots stabilized the sand and trapped moisture. Meanwhile, the rabbits started fertilizing the land naturally. Their waste became organic fertilizer. They also ate grass, but couldn't digest the seeds. The seeds passed through their bodies and spread across the land. Soon, grass started growing. Soil became fertile. Vegetables could be farmed. Wildlife returned. The desert slowly transformed into a living ecosystem. This became a self-sustaining cycle. Trees stabilized the soil, rabbits maintained trees, fertilizer enriched the land, grass grew, more life returned. From desert to green economy. After early success, Wang expanded the project. He flattened dunes with bulldozers, planted millions more trees, distributed Rex rabbits to local families. Every household became a small eco-farm. Over 10 years, the transformation was complete. Today, the Kabuchi region, once called the Sea of Death, now has farms, animals, solar panels, green belts, villages. Wind speed dropped by 50%. Sandstorms reduced. New land keeps forming naturally. The desert became known as the Sea of Life, a model for the world. Scientists now call this the eco-economic revolution, where ecology and economy grow together. With over 40% of Earth's land threatened by desertification, countries around the world are studying this model. The message from the Kabuchi Desert is simple. If humans work with nature instead of against it, even a desert can become a garden. And it all started with the right use of a small rabbit.